Hey, what's up everybody? It's Sean Cole. Are you ready to unlock your 9-figure potential? Today, I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom, the digital marketing playbook that took me years to build. I'm talking late nights, wasted money, every mistake in the book. But I came out the other side with a 9-figure business, clients like Amazon and Google, and millions reached every month. You can fast track your success, avoid the pitfalls, and start seeing real results right now. We're diving deep into the strategies that work right now. This is about building a sustainable, profitable online presence that attracts your dream clients and lets you live life on your terms. No more waiting for permission, no more playing small. This is about claiming what's yours. We're talking about harnessing the power of social media, building your own online empire, and using cutting-edge AI tools to skyrocket your growth. Let's do this. All right, let's talk social media. This isn't about posting selfies and cat videos. This is about building an engaged audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. And it all starts with one word: action. Forget about the perfect post. Forget about the algorithm. Forget about feeling self-conscious. Just start posting. 3 times a day on X, formerly known as Twitter. Share your insights, your journey, your thoughts on your niche. Be yourself, be authentic, be real. Now, here's where the magic happens. Pay attention. What content gets likes, reposts, comments? What resonates with people? That's your golden content, my friend. That's your blueprint for success. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try different things, to see what sticks. The more you post, the more data you gather, the better you understand your audience. And that, my friend, is power. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments. Ask questions. Build relationships, not just followers. So get out there, start posting, and let's dominate this thing. You've heard the saying, work smarter, not harder. Well, that's exactly what we're doing here. You poured your heart and soul into those killer X posts. Now it's time to turn them into content gold across all your platforms. Once a week, do a quick audit of your top performing X posts. Screenshot them, copy the text, whatever's easiest. Now, open up Canva. It's free and easy to use, and let's get creative. Turn those insightful tweets into eye-catching Instagram reels. Transform powerful quotes into shareable graphics for LinkedIn. Repurpose those engaging stories into captivating captions for your Facebook posts. By repurposing your content, you're not only saving time and energy, you're also expanding your reach and attracting a wider audience. And the more people you reach, the more leads you generate, the more sales you make. Work smarter, leverage your existing assets, and watch your online presence explode. Listen, social media is great for building a following, but you're renting space on someone else's land. To truly own your online presence, you need your own website. You need a blog. Think of it as your digital home, a place where you control the message, the design, the experience, a place where you can share your expertise, tell your story, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. And the best part, starting a blog is easier than you think. Head over to DreamHost or GoDaddy, grab your domain name. That's your name.com or your brand.com and set up WordPress with one click. Boom, you're in business. Now, the fun part, writing. Don't overthink it, just start sharing what you know. Share your insights, your experiences, your unique perspective. Aim for 1 blog post a week to start. So stop making excuses and start building your online empire today. All right, let's talk content strategy. You're not here to just write into the void. You're here to create content that gets seen, shared, and converts like crazy. And that's where UberSuggest comes in. This free tool is a gold mine for uncovering what your audience is searching for. Type in your niche or industry keywords, and UberSuggest will spit out a treasure trove of data, including the top performing blog posts in your space. Now, here's the key. Don't just copy those articles. Steal like an artist. Take their best ideas, their most popular topics, and create your own unique version. By leveraging the power of UberSuggest, you're not just guessing what your audience wants to read. You're tapping into a gold mine of proven topics and keywords. So use UberSuggest to find your winning topics, then unleash your creativity and create content that blows your audience away. Listen, traffic is great, but it means nothing if it doesn't convert into leads, sales, and loyal customers. We're not here to just build a website. We're here to build a business. So let's talk optimization. Think of your website like a storefront. You wouldn't hide your best products in the back, would you? You put them front and center where everyone can see them. Identify your cold spots, those areas on your website where people aren't clicking, scrolling, or engaging. Are your call to action buttons buried at the bottom of the page? Move them higher. Is your most important content hidden below the fold? Bring it up top. Use heat maps and analytics to track user behavior and see what's working and what's not. Then make adjustments accordingly. It's all about testing, tweaking, and constantly improving the user experience. So, ditch the vanity metric and focus on what really matters: conversions. Let's be real. Time is your most valuable asset. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. That's why you need to leverage every tool at your disposal to work smarter, not harder. And that's where AI comes in. No, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. Think of it as your secret weapon, your trusty sidekick, your 24/7 content creation machine. Use AI tools like Jasper or Copy.ai to write your first drafts, generate blog post ideas, and even craft compelling social media captions. But here's the key. AI is a tool, not a crutch. AI might write the words, but you bring the heart, the soul, the human touch. So let AI handle the heavy lifting, and you focus on what you do best: leading, creating, and growing your empire. Here's a hard truth. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. The online world is constantly evolving, which means you need to be constantly testing and adapting to stay ahead of the curve. Think of your business as a science lab. Every headline, every image, every call to action is an opportunity to experiment and see what resonates with your audience. Use A/B testing tools like ConvertKit for email marketing, Crazy Egg for website heat maps, or Google Optimize for website variations. Create 2 versions of everything: headlines, images, copy, layouts, and let the data decide what works best. The more you test, the more data you gather, the better you understand what drives conversions. So embrace the testing mindset, become a data-driven entrepreneur, and watch your business grow exponentially. Listen, you can have all the knowledge, all the tools, all the strategies in the world, but if you're not surrounding yourself with the right people, you're fighting an uphill battle. We are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. So if you want to play bigger, you need to surround yourself with players who are already operating at that level. Find 3 to 5 people who are serious about growth, who are hungry for success, who are committed to pushing each other to the next level. Meet weekly, whether it's online or in person, and share your wins, your challenges, your insights. Hold each other accountable, provide constructive feedback, and celebrate each other's successes. So find your tribe, build your mastermind group, and watch your growth skyrocket. Listen, I built a 9-figure business from scratch, and I'm telling you, you don't need years to achieve massive success. You need a system. Post consistently, test everything, build your own platform with a blog, optimize for conversions, use AI to your advantage, and surround yourself with winners. You have the power within you to achieve anything you set your mind to. But it all starts with taking action. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is now. Download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in digital marketing. Go to the ultimate guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com right now. It's packed with even more strategies and tools to help you grow faster, get more leads, and start dominating your niche. Listen, your dream life isn't waiting for you to feel ready. It's waiting on you to take one step today. Let this video be that step. You got this. Let's get it.